over 18 years, we started the SHG bank linkage program. And the question has been posed, a need for new surge. Does it mean that we have reached a plateau? My answer is partly yes and partly no. If we look to last 4 years, I'm not going to the history because history has been discussed quite a lot. In last 4 years, SHG bank linkage program has grown at a compound annual growth rate of 18% in terms of numbers, I'm saying. In terms of loan outstanding, it has grown at a rate of 32%. Now with these two numbers, even if I go to the basics of savings and groups in terms of amounts and numbers, they have grown at a rate of 20%. To this is partly yes and partly no. In terms of the growth rates, we have grown at a rate of 18% in credit linkage SHGs. In terms of savings, in terms of number of SHGs, in terms of amounts, they have grown at a rate of 20% per annum. According to me, this is a reasonable growth rate. But it does not mean that there is no need for a new surge. The point is, if we look to the loan per group, then possibly we find that in real terms, if we take care of the inflation part, the growth has almost stagnated. And that's a kind of area where we'll have to increase the loan per group or per capita. This is essential if we want to promote this kind of movement to a livelihood creation. We require substantial boost to the disbursement of loans. But let me tell you, let us not have a supply-led growth as far as the credit disbursements are concerned. Let it be demand-driven. In a sense, if we have to increase the demand for credit through the SHGs, we require a capacity building, not only of the stakeholders, but also of the bankers. We require a kind of support systems which are required in terms of linkages. Now, if we go for both of these things, then possibly we can increase the loan per SHG, which can be increased. The banks can be asked to give it. My answer will be, let us address this issue in both terms, in demand and supply factors. As far as the third issue is concerned, that in case of southern states, possibly we have a kind of 50% or little more of the groups are in the southern states. What we require is we require a kind of surge in the kind of priority states like Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. We may have to think of different models. Maybe can we think of BCBF models, which has been discussed quite a lot in the morning. Can we use some kind of subsidiaries like NABARD has established, like NAPINS? Can we promote their activities in these priority states? Can we think of some kind of use of external resource person for promotion of these groups? These are the kind of things we'll have to think as far as the promotion of SHG in the kind of states where there is not much of progress. Let me take a half a minute more. This title, if you look to it, we have been talking of SHG bank linkage. Can we think of something like, can we involve our post offices, which has a huge network of something like 1,55,000 post offices in the country? Can we make use of it? NABARD has made a kind of experiment in this regard. Things are moving. I'm saying that these are the pilots which must be tested adequately. The problems which are coming, they have to be addressed adequately. Possibly post office linkage was one of the first BC model which NABARD promoted, because the entire risk of SHG financing was taken on the balance sheet of NABARD. In the sense, the risk was taken over by NABARD, and the post offices work something like the BCs, which was a concept which was brought in 2003, and the pilot is still on, because there are still some operational problems which require a kind of looking into it. One more issue which I think is what we require is the federations. I have 3 particular points. Let these federations be demand-based. Let us not have, again, that supply-driven approach for the federations. As for the federations, 2 issues will come up. Who should bear the cost of promoting these SHGs? Who should bear the cost of running these federations? The answer could be on a pilot basis. We have already initiated in certain part of the country. Let us gain this experience, but promote this whenever there is a need for these federations. Thank you very much, sir.